everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm here to share with you guys what coupons we are getting this Sunday, August 19th, 2018. Now what I do when I to look for coupons is I just do inserts, you know, whatever date the paper or what day is coming out. So, and I always like the SundayPaperCoupons.com. I like their website the best. So I'm here to share with you guys. Now it looks like we'll be getting 2 inserts. Now please keep in mind everybody gets different inserts in different regions. I don't know why. I think it's dumb, but this gets you guys thinking, you know, if you want coupons or not. It's an okay week. I'm still going to get some inserts, but I wouldn't say it's going to be the greatest week for inserts, but it all depends on what you guys want. So here we're getting some Alka-Seltzer, Bausch & Lomb, Claritin, Clearasil. Clearasil, we haven't had those coupons for a while, but they do expire on 9/15, so those will be lasting for a couple weeks. We're getting 50 cents off of Colgate, Cooked Perfect, $1.50 off of 2 meatballs, Dr. Scholl's, which I see all the time, Energizer, 75 cents off of 1. We're getting Glade coupons, 50 cents off of 1, $1.50 off of 1, $1.50 off of 1, $1. Go Organically, Honey Maid, 75 cents off of 2. Juicy Juice, $1.25 off of 2. Lando Frost, we're getting some of those coupons. Lysol, Nabisco, 75 cents off of 2. Nomi's Biscotti. Pilot pens, those don't expire till December, you guys. December. Those are going to be really good. Hopefully get some good deals on pens. Rachel Ray, we're getting some Revlon hair dye. Schick razors, 3 off of 1, 4 off of 1, 4 off of 1, 4 off of 1, 4 off of 1. Wow. Smarty Pants, those are pills, I think. And then some other good stuff. So if those are interested in some of those products. Advil, Caress, Centrum, Dime Tap, Robitussin, 2 off of 1. We're getting Dove, $1.25 off of 1. Dove, 2 off of 1. Shower, 2 off of 1, 2 off of 1, 2 off of 1. Garnier Hair Color, we're getting 2 off of 1 and 4 off of 2. Jimmy Dean, we're getting Johnson coupons for babies. Johnson Babies, it's going to be like a 2-week coupon. L'Oreal, Aleve, now it's 3 off of 2. Usually it is 4 off of 2, but this one it is 3 off of 2. Nexium, Persil, 2 off of 1. Robitussin, we're getting some Target coupons. Thermosil, and $2 off of 1 Vaseline. I think it's going to be actually kind of a slow week for inserts. I'm still debating if I am going to get inserts or not. I am not sure, so just thinking of what I want to get. I think it's going to be a slow week for couponing. But if you guys enjoy this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and I will see you guys all later for another video. See you guys later. Bye-bye.